Welcome to Speak Boldly and Listen Bravely, building a foundation for challenging conversations. My name is Patrick, he, him, his pronouns, and I'm the area coordinator for Hillside West. And I'll be bringing you through the content of this module that was developed by the task force contributors that are listed at the bottom of this slide. The title of this presentation is called Communicating Across Differences. So some of the learning outcomes for this session will be students will be able to identify and utilize 3 communication skills and 3 listening skills for the purpose of communicating effectively. Students will incorporate active listening and effective communication techniques when engaging in conflict. Students will know where to access information related to effective communication, campus regulations, and free speech. Why this training matters for everyone. Uh, there are a lot of questions that people might be considering when they go through this training. So what if I'm not the protester? Even if you're not the protester, understanding freedom of speech and unlawful protests is crucial because it affects the rights and safety of everyone in society, including your own ability to express opinions and participate in public discourse. What if I have been negatively impacted? The university offers support services, including supportive measures for individuals. What if I don't agree with the belief that I need to listen to others? While technically it's possible to reach a solution without listening to others, the outcome is often less effective and substantial. Ignoring opposing views might result in solutions that don't address all concerns, potentially leading to further conflicts or issues down the line. The time, place, and manner policy. The time, place, and manner policy was in response to a new legislative mandate. It was authored by the Chancellor's Office, and the content of the time, place, and manner standardizes the language across the 23 CSU campuses. Institutions of higher education have a special obligation to encourage and support the free expression of ideas, values, and opinions, even when they may be unpopular or controversial. We invite and actively encourage you to learn, grow, and make your voice heard on issues that matter to you. Freedom of expression, however, is not an absolute right. It coexists with other rights, the CSU educational mission, and the need for the public order and safety. The exercise of freedom of expression and assembly rights must comply with all applicable federal, state, and local laws, as well as university policies. The First Amendment, heckler's veto, and protest. So the First Amendment, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the peoples peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for the redress of grievances. CSULB supports and is committed to open, free, and robust discussion, debate, and exchange of ideas as an indispensable part of its educational mission, especially when the ideas expressed are controversial and unpopular. CSULB also has the obligation, however, to ensure the safety and security of persons and property, and the university operations, functions, and events are not disrupted. The heckler's veto, disrupting or shouting down others during presentations and events. Heckler's veto is not protected speech. It is a form of censorship and a violation of our time, place, and manner policy. Protest, a statement or action expressing disapproval or an objection to something. Civil disobedience refers to the refusal to obey laws by violating them. A founding premise for society based on the rule of law and in order is to adhere to the laws that are voted into existence. In the United States, we have guaranteed the right to dissent, to protest, to assemble peaceably, to petition against a law, and to pose legal challenges to laws we believe violate constitutional rights. Students may dissent against a range of policies and against political ideas in a number of ways. When dissent crosses over into the area called time, place, and manner restrictions, dissent moves to civil disobedience. Such dissent becomes unprotected civil disobedience when taking over a campus building, materially disrupting classes or events, trespassing, vandalizing, disturbing the peace, or other types of conduct subject to time, place, manner restrictions. CSULB protects the freedom to dissent and raises awareness that participation in civil disobedience could result in serious criminal or conduct charges. Informed communication. Understanding the importance of informed communication and adhering to the time, place, and manner policy is crucial for the effectively and responsibly exercising your freedom of speech on a college campus. Listening includes stop talking, give full attention, avoid interrupting the speaker, react to ideas, not to the person, and consider an effective response. Effective communication, this includes stay focused on the issues, use I messages, try to see their point of view, own what's yours, look for compromise. Thank you for taking the time to go through this module for Speak Boldly and Listen Bravely.